session, just a small thing to note. There are two names which you will be able to see of mine in the participants list. You have to send your answers in the chat box where I have written Kiran Singh Rajpurohit in capital, and there is Q&A written in the bracket as well, right? I've sent a good evening all message with that ID. So that is the ID where I'll be, kind of replying everybody, right? Hope everybody has understood that. Jay Kiloskar has also asked that. Yeah, anyways, I'll just start with the session now. So here we go. So this was the sum, children, we discussed last time, right? Now, I don't know, few students might have already got message here. I've sent a message to all the center heads, maybe in the afternoon, to ask you all to, kind of practice this sum. Now, those kids who want to answer, kindly text me so that I can unmute you. Yeah, there is Daniel Joseph from Takshila. So let me unmute you. Daniel Joseph from Takshila, right? I requested you to unmute yourself, child.
Sir, done.
Yeah, able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, child. So help me with this sum now.
So the first option will be to prove.
Sorry, the first option will be?
To prove.
Yeah, to prove.
To prove that segment AD is congruent to segment BE.
Correct. So how do we prove it?
So then you write proof. After writing proof, in triangle ADB and triangle
Okay.
BEA,
Mm-hmm.
angle ADB is equal to angle BEA is equal to 90 degrees. That's given.
Okay, each is 90. That is given, right?
Hypotenuse AB is congruent to hypotenuse BA by common side.
Okay.
Side DB is congruent to side EA, which is also given.
Right.
Therefore, side triangle ADB is congruent to triangle BA by hypotenuse side test, and therefore segment AD is congruent to segment BE.
Correct. Just tell me, how did you knew that you have to select those two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle BEA?
So, because those are if you can check by the other sides are not exactly congruent. By turning your head, if you look, the others are not looking exactly congruent. ADB look exactly congruent.
I did not know. Is it okay if I consider triangle ADC and triangle BEC? Triangle ADC and triangle BEC?
No, sir. Then it won't
Yeah,
be a
it is
common side
okay.
and everything.
It is okay, I'll tell you. You can do that. But the solution will become more complicated and bit lengthier. That can be done. I'll tell you how we select. The way you said you have to turn your head, I don't know, probably one of the ways, but I don't think so that would work around with every sum. So what we have to look out for, Daniel, I'll just let you know, don't worry. There are two things which you need to check before selecting triangles. The first thing is, what is the given information? As you can see, the given information here is AE equal to BD. So there are two sides, AE and BD, which you need to keep in your mind, right? So just highlight those in your mind. Next thing is, you need to talk about what is required. Proof kya karna hai. So what we need to prove is AD and BE to be equal. AD and BE. So there are these four sides which we are talking about, Daniel, and all the kids. BD, AE, these are the two sides which were given, and we need to talk about AD and BE, which we need to prove as equal. So children, if I talk about BD and AD together, they belong to a triangle, and the triangle is ADB. That is how we come to know that this is the triangle which we need to select, right? And talking about the other two sides, AE and BE, we need to select AEB. I hope that is clear. So these are the two triangles which we need to prove congruent. There is one more possibility. You could have selected triangle ADC and triangle BAC. You can prove those congruent and the sum can be done that way as well. Becomes a bit lengthier. Hope that is clear. And Daniel, the other explanation was perfect.
Okay, sir.
The two, yeah, thank you so much. The two angles are equal to 90 degree given. Hypotenuse is common. And then this was given, right? Therefore, triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. And at the end, CSCT, corresponding sides of congruent triangle say segment AD is congruent to segment BE. I hope it is clear. अच्छा, last time I guess ये sum लिखने के लिए time नहीं मिला था. So I would give 1 minute to all of you to copy this sum. This figure is already there in the textbook. Just copy the sum. Yeah. Sorry. Here it is. There are a few students saying we have already done the sum. No issues. I won't take much time here. Just a minute, maybe. For those kids who have not finished copying, you can just take a screenshot of this. Ved Patel from Vikroli. Child, if I see one more message of that category which you have messaged me, you'll be removed from the lecture. Ved Patel from Vikroli. Don't put any unnecessary messages. DN Nagar से मेघ प्रसाद says last time का एक sum बाकी है. Child, this was the sum which was pending. इसीलिए ये repeat कर रहा हूँ. संध्या अमन्ना. कौन से ब्रांच से हो संध्या अमन्ना? You are from which branch, child? You've not written the name of the branch. Aishwarya Thorat says, sir, I have done the sum by my own. Superb. Is it correct? Hope it matches with the solution which I have shown it to you all. DN Nagar Shruti says we were doing problem set question 2. Oh, is it? I'll just check then. Don't worry. As of now, we'll just move ahead. Sandhya, you are from which branch? You are saying, please, sir, I've just asked you, you are from which branch? Sandhya Amanna. Don't worry, I'll repeat the sum. Just let me know you are from which branch, child. Sandhya, I'll just request you to unmute yourselves. Yeah, Sandhya, I've requested you to unmute yourselves.
Sir, actually, my mom was using this app, and by mistake, I have logged in from her only name, and I forgot to rename myself.
Not an issue, child. You are from which center?
Vikroli. Sir, sorry,
What's
I
your
didn't
name?
realize that, sir.
No issue, sir. What's your name, child? What's
Joshua,
your name?
sir, Joshua.
Yeah, Joshua. Tell me, what is it that you did not understood in this sum?
Sir, can you tell me which two triangles I didn't
Are to be
understand?
selected. Okay. See, Joshua, there are two things which you need to keep in mind before you select the triangles. Now, which are those two things? Very simple. First thing is what is given. Second thing is what is needed. Those are the two things. So read the question entirely and just tell me what is given in the question.
In the adjoining figure in
Correct.
ABC, segment AD and segment BE are altitudes, and
Right.
AE is equal to BD. Prove
Right.
that segment AD is congruent to segment BE.
Okay. So tell me what is given in this sum. What all things are given in this sum to us?
The figure,
Yeah, figure is given. Perfect. What else?
altitudes,
Okay,
and
altitudes का meaning क्या होता है child? What is meaning of the word altitudes?
sir, when the line segment is at 90 degrees to the
Correct. So 90 degree given है. मतलब
yes,
कोई तो दो angle 90 degree है because there are two altitudes I can see on the screen, right?
yes sir.
तो कौन सा दो angle 90 degree है?
ADB and CEB.
CEB. Perfect. So these are the two angles 90 degree. ठीक है. Move ahead. अच्छा, Joshua, can I state since this angle is 90, इसके बाजू वाला भी 90 होगा BEA and likewise ADC भी 90 होगा, correct?
Yes sir.
Okay, right. Yeah, Jay Chavan, I have understood that question number 2 was given as homework. Anyways, we move ahead now from this sum because this was the next sum. Yeah, Joshua, just tell me.
Yes sir. We
Yeah.
can.
We can, right. So that is what is given. Is it? Yeah, और भी कुछ है apart from 90 degree.
Yes sir, and it is written that AE is equal to BD.
Perfect. So keep this thing in your mind that there are four angles which are 90. ये 90 है, इसके बाजू वाला 90 है. This is 90, this is 90. And AE is equals to BD, correct?
Yes sir.
Okay, so given stuff हमारे दिमाग में है. Now look at the required stuff, child.
Required.
Required, yeah, prove that. जो prove
Prove
करना
that
है.
segment
AD
AD
is
is
equal to,
congruent to BE. Segment B.
now talking about AD and BE. So there are four segments which have got highlighted in our mind. Which were those four segments? BD and AE. क्यों ये दोनों क्यों highlight होना चाहिए? Because वो
they are
given है.
same. Yeah.
Correct. And ये दोनों highlight इसलिए है क्योंकि ये required है. अच्छा, along with those there are angles. Now if you look at any two sides, जैसे अगर आप randomly BE और BD को देखोगे तो वो कोई triangle नहीं form करते हैं. BD and BE, they do not form a triangle, right?
Sir.
हाँ. So if you look at BD and AD, they form a triangle and hence I selected ADB. ठीक है. तो likewise AE and BE को अगर select किया तो ये एक triangle बनता है. But if you select AE and AD, they do not form a triangle. यहाँ पे छोटा सा triangle बनता है but ये पूरा side include होना चाहिए. I hope it is clear.
Yes sir.
So this is how we select triangles depending upon what is given and what is required. और फिर तीन elements देखते हैं हम लोग. जैसे यहाँ पे this is the first element, this is second element, this is third. अगर ये तीन element समझ में आ जाता है, then by default we understand triangles are congruent by which test, and then we can prove sides congruent or maybe angles congruent. Hope that is clear.
Yes sir, but I have one more doubt that how is AB the hypotenuse? It should be BE.
No, it should not be BE. अगर BE का बात करेगा ना child, BE belongs to triangle BEC. तो ये ट्राइंगल में फॉर दिस ट्राइंगल दिस इज 90. तो 90 के सामने तभी BC आ जाता है. फॉर AB टू बी हाइपोटेन्यूस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टू ट्राइंगल्स. कौन सा दो ट्राइंगल्स?
BD, ADB and BEA.
परफेक्ट. रुक जा पहले एक ट्राइंगल का बात कर. डोंट इफ यू लुक एट बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स एट वंस यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड जैसे अभी हो गया. सो लुक एट वन ट्राइंगल एट अ टाइम. ADB को देख एंड यू सी अ 90 डिग्री हियर, करेक्ट?
Yes sir.
अब सिर्फ ADB दिखाई देना चाहिए तुझे. You don't have to look at BE, you don't have to look at AC, you don't have to look at DC. The only thing which should be visible to you as of now is
BDA.
ADB. Correct? तो ये ट्राइंगल में, in this triangle, this is 90 और 90 के सामने वाला side is AB, right?
Yes sir.
Hence AB is the hypotenuse. The same goes for triangle BEA. ये ट्राइंगल में एंगल ई 90 है, उसके सामने सेगमेंट ए बी है, एंड हेंस सेगमेंट ए बी इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज व्हिच इज आल्सो द कॉमन साइड.
Got it, sir.
Mubarak 9th C Ghatkopar say, child, you have messaged me, I guess on both the IDs, but you have to message me on Kiran Singh Rajpurohit where you have question and answer written. Co-host वाला. अच्छा, दोनों co-host है, but the capital one, जो capital में लिखा है. Harshit Patel says, I have done the sum on my own. Superb, Harshit. Good work. Hope everybody has understood the sum now. Right? So we move ahead. Yeah, everybody, great work. Those who have done the sum on their own. Let's see who will be able to answer this, right? Prove that if bisector of angle BAC of triangle ABC is perpendicular to side BC, then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. You know what, children, the best part of the sum? इसका figure हम लोगों को दिया हुआ नहीं है. The figure is not given to us. Just a second, there is a small doubt asked by Sahil from DN Nagar. Sahil, hypotenuse नहीं लिखा तो you lose half a mark, क्योंकि टेस्ट का नाम ही hypotenuse side test है. If you write side instead, you'll lose half mark definitely. ठीक है, तो hypotenuse side test में compulsorily word hypotenuse use करना है. अच्छा, घाटकोपर से वैष्णवी जो है, she wants to answer, so I'll just select her. Yeah, Vaishnavi, I've requested you to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Vaishnavi, just help me to draw a figure here. Just read out the question once.
Prove that if the bisector of angle BAC of triangle ABC is perpendicular to the side BC, then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle.
Now I'll tell you children, ये जो अभी आपने रीड किया, अगर इंग्लिश का सब्जेक्ट होता तो परफेक्ट रीड किया है, बट सिंस इट इज मैथमेटिक्स ये तरीका गलत है. When you read a question, you read it part by part and understand it और accordingly figure draw करना है. जैसे वैष्णवी, let us start once again, just read the first line.
Prove that if the bisector of angle BAC of triangle ABC is perpendicular to side BC.
Perfect. First thing which we have understood is triangle ABC draw करना है. बराबर है, बाकी सब बाद में आएगा. Correct है कि नहीं?
Yes.
So we draw a beautiful triangle, child, naming it as triangle ABC. Hope ये सब लोग कर सकते हैं. Right. अब वैष्णवी जो मैंने हाईलाइट किया खाली उतना पढ़ना.
Bisector of angle BAC of triangle ABC.
Vaishnavi, can you help me with meaning of the word bisector?
A line which divides a angle into two equal parts.
Perfect. Dividing something into two equal parts. So angle BAC मतलब कौन सा एंगल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
AA.
Perfect. तो
Angle
एंगल A को bisect करना है, so we have to draw a line passing from here, right? So
Yes.
this is how it has to look. अच्छा, so ये bisector है, मतलब ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है. Can I state angle BAD will be equal to or
Is
congruent
equal
to
to-
angle CAD? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Perfect.
Yes.
Now just go ahead and read the highlighted part, Vaishnavi.
Perpendicular to side BC.
Just a second. Mrunal says, sir, हमने ये sum किया है पहले. Children, have we done this sum? वैष्णवी, हमने ये sum पहले किया है क्या?
So you have given it as homework, no?
This sum? Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I have done it.
और कितना sum किया है इसके आगे? There are few
Sir,
students
no.
saying no. There are few students saying yes.
So no, this was the last sum you gave. Time was up, so you
Okay,
told
so
that
this
right
was the
once.
last sum.
Yes.
No issues. Then there are few students saying no. There are few students saying yes. Anyways, we'll repeat this sum. There is no harm in it, right? So we just go ahead with the explanation, right?
Yes.
So Vaishnavi, where were we? You were reading the highlighted part.
Perpendicular to side BC.
Okay. So segment AD जो bisector था, वो bisector होने के साथ साथ it is also perpendicular to side BC
BC.
मतलब ये जो एंगल है ये कितना होने वाला है 90 डिग्री. परफेक्ट.
90 degree.
राइट. सो दिस आर द टू थिंग्स गिवन. ये मुझे कैसे पता चला गिवन है? यहाँ पे इफ लिखा है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes.
हाँ, जो प्रूव करना है वो देन के आगे लिखा है. सो व्हाट डू वी नीड टू प्रूव चाइल्ड?
We have to prove that
that.
it is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle.
What is an isosceles triangle?
A triangle which have two sides equal.
Triangle which has two sides equal. Segment AB and segment AC. अगर ये प्रूव किया मैंने कि दोनों इक्वल है, जो सेगमेंट को मैंने हाईलाइट किया, will it be proved that the triangle is an isosceles triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I've written the hint that we need to prove that two sides are congruent. Now Vaishnavi, tell me, last class I remember that we discussed if we need to prove that two sides are congruent or maybe two angles are congruent, तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए?
Sir, can you repeat the question
my
once?
my question is, if we need to prove two sides congruent or two angles congruent, तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do?
Sir, sorry, I can't recall.
Not an issue. Whenever we need to prove that two sides are congruent, वैष्णवी अगर आपको याद हो तो हम लोग CSCT कब लिखते हैं?
Yes, when we know that three of its measures are congruent.
हाँ, 3 एलिमेंट कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं, मतलब ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव होने के बाद. परफेक्ट.
But yes.
Correct. So remember this, children. Not only Vaishnavi, all of you should remember this कि जब भी दो sides को congruent prove करना है या दो angles को congruent prove करना है, we need to prove that two triangles are congruent.
Congruent.
ठीक है. तो अब दो ट्रायंगल्स को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए अभी मैंने जोशुआ को गाइड किया था कि दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन टू फैक्टर्स. वन, गिवन क्या है, दूसरा रिक्वायर्ड क्या है. तो यहाँ पे गिवन क्या है, अगर आप देखोगे गिवन में एंगल बाइसेक्टर दिया था, मतलब दिस टू एंगल्स वर इक्वल, राइट? वैष्णवी, यू देयर?
Yes, sir. Yes.
दिस टू एंगल्स वर इक्वल एंड ऑल्सो ये परपेंडिकुलर, मतलब ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है.
Equal.
सो ये गिवन है. अब
Yes.
रिक्वायर्ड में क्या है? सेगमेंट AB एंड AC, राइट?
Yes.
AB एंड AC मतलब आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल प्रूव करना है. सो इफ यू फोकस चिल्ड्रन, AB और ये वाला एंगल और ये 90 डिग्री, ये तीनों एक ट्रायंगल को बिलोंग करते हैं. विच इज दैट ट्रायंगल?
BAD.
परफेक्ट, BAD. एंड यहाँ पे CAD.
CAD.
अच्छा, इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे सिर्फ दो ही ट्रायंगल्स है, यहाँ पे कोई कंफ्यूजन भी नहीं है कि कौन सा दो ट्रायंगल सिलेक्ट करना है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes.
So talking about those two triangles, in order to prove them congruent, we need 3 elements. Vaishnavi, कौन सा 3 elements congruent है?
Sir, one angle, a
Which
common
angle side? अच्छा, ये
BAD. Yes.
and BAD and
CAD is congruent to each other.
reason.
It is given, no?
हाँ, given भी लिख सकते हो, bisector भी लिख सकते हो.
Bisector of, yes, angle. And common side, AD is a common side.
Perfect, superb.
And angle ADB and angle ADC is congruent. Each measure,
correct.
it is
Correct,
90
correct.
degree, no?
Therefore, it is which test? ASA.
ASA
Uh,
test.
Yeah, there are few students who have answered me correctly in the messages, but there are few students who have said it is SAS test, which is wrong. आप उल्टा बोल रहे हो. It is angle side angle test, ASA, right? So here is the presentation जो अभी वैष्णवी ने discuss किया. 3 elements. I've written it right in front of you with the reasons. Therefore, triangles are congruent by ASA test. And now, can we state that AB is congruent to AC?
Yes,
AB
sir.
is congruent to AC. CSCT, corresponding sides of congruent.
Congruent triangle.
लेकिन याद रखना, इधर ही अगर सम आप लोग खत्म कर देते हो एग्जाम में, you will lose half a mark, because क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा था?
Proof that.
Triangle ABC, हाँ, isosceles triangle proof करो. And we have stopped here. दो हमने हमारे दिमाग में प्रूव कर दिया है, बट आपको एक लाइन लिखना यहाँ पे जरूरी है. Therefore,
Hence.
triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle by definition. Very important to write by definition. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Just copy this. Those who have
Thank
already
you, sir.
finished it, not an issue. Yeah, thank you, Vaishnavi.
Thank you.
DN नगर याशिका शिंदे ने लिखा था डैड एंड कैड, वो क्या होता है? What is that side? घाटकोपर Razin Sayed. Razin, were you there when I taught you all the tests? There were 5 tests. SAS, SSS, वो सब पढ़ाया तभी थे आप? Tanishka Shelke says, sir, is it hypotenuse test? The answer is no. तनिष्का फ्रॉम घाटकोपर, हाइपोटेनियस टेस्ट तभी होता है जब हाइपोटेनियस इक्वल होते हैं, एंड हाइपोटेनियस के साथ साथ एक पेयर ऑफ साइड भी इक्वल होना जरूरी है. राजिन, मे बी इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि आप जब कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाया तब नहीं थे, इसलिए आपको कम समझ रहा है. सो इट्स ओके, यू कैन जस्ट अटेंड दोज लेक्चर्स थ्रू रिकॉर्डिंग. वीडियो रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. I believe everybody has finished copying, right? So we move on to the next question now. Those who have not finished it can just, kind of take a screenshot. Razin, I know you were there for the repeat lecture, Basic Concepts in Geometry. I believe this was the sum where we stopped last class, right? Anyways, we repeated those few sums. अच्छा ही है, सबका रिवीजन हो गया, प्रैक्टिस भी हो गया. Triangle ABC is isosceles in which AB is equals to AC. So it is isosceles triangle already given to us, or AB or AB or AC equal hai, right? So these are the two sides equal. Segment BD and segment CE are medians. What is the meaning of word median? Ayushi from Ville Parle, I have requested you to unmute yourselves. Ayushi, median का meaning क्या होता है?
Median means a segment joining vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side.
Perfect. Now for those kids who do not know meaning of the word median, you can just copy it. I've displayed it on the screen as well. It won't take even 10 seconds, but आपको याद रहेगा at least. Segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So there are two medians, children, mentioned in the question. The first median, as you can see on the screen, is BD. तो एक ऐसा सेगमेंट जो वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट तो होता है, लेकिन कहाँ खत्म होता है? मिड पॉइंट ऑफ अपोजिट साइड. सो इट हैज टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बी एंड एंड ऑन द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ अपोजिट साइड. मतलब बी से स्टार्ट होके डी जो होगा मिड पॉइंट होगा एसी का, children, midpoint matlab can I state D will be exactly in the middle, like AD will be equal to DC? मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर AC का वैल्यू 10 है तो AD का वैल्यू कितना होगा एंड DC का वैल्यू कितना होगा? You can just put the answer in chat box. Yeah, correct. There are so many people answering it as 5. Correct. Samina Dalvi from Vikroli has answered it incorrectly. 10. Samina, मेरा क्वेश्चन फिर से सुनो आप चाइल्ड. I asked अगर AC का वैल्यू 10 है तो AD या DC कितना होगा? Samina, waiting for your answer from Vikroli. Okay, I got the answer, Samina, right? Yeah, now AD, we all have understood it is 5 and DC is 5, right? From the example. Likewise, children, talking about CE. CE is a median which starts from C, ends on the opposite side, but the point has to be the midpoint again. इस बार फिर से अगर AB का वैल्यू 10 लेता हूं तो AE has to be 5, EB has to be 5. I hope everybody has understood that. Yeah, right. Moving ahead, we need to show that BD is equal to CE. BD is equal to CE. Now I'll just select a child randomly here once again. And वो बच्चे को मुझे मदद करना है to help select triangles, right? Ghatkopar Harshit Patel says, I want to answer. Harshit Patel. Harshit, I have requested you to
Hello,
unmute.
sir.
Yeah, hello child.
Yes, sir.
Just help me select the triangle and first explain me कि आप वो triangle क्यों select कर रहे हो, क्योंकि जो दो condition मैंने बताए वो आपको बताने पड़ेंगे triangle select करने के लिए.
Triangle ABD.
Sorry, triangle?
ABD.
अच्छा, and triangle?
ACE.
Correct. Why those two triangles now?
Sir, because
कौन सा दो फैक्टर्स पे मैंने फोकस करने बोला था?
sir given and to prove.
तो गिवन में क्या क्या है मुझे बताइए. What all elements do we have in the given part?
So angle AB is equal
Angle
to
nahi,
angle
side.
AC.
Side.
Side
Side AB is equals to side
equal to angle
AC.
side BC.
Perfect. Everybody just focus on two things, AB and AC. आपके दिमाग में सिर्फ AB और AC दिखाई देने चाहिए. Correct as of now. अच्छा, what is the next part which is given to us?
So
Harshit.
side. So segment
BD.
BE and segment CE are medians.
Right. तो वो दोनों मीडियन है. और क्या गिवन है? I mean और क्या रिक्वायर्ड है? तो गिवन तो हमने पढ़ लिया, दो मीडियंस है
So
और
we have
दो
to
साइड्स.
prove that BD is equal to CE.
CE. Perfect. Right. तो now Harshit, when I focus on those four sides, कौन सा four side मालूम है? AB, AC. ये दोनों इसलिए because ये given है. And BD and CE ये दोनों इसलिए because ये required है. तो child CE और AB पे जब मैं फोकस करता हूँ, AB और CE, तो कोई ट्राइंगल दिमाग में नहीं आता है. Hence, I focus on CE and AC. When I focus on this two, there is a triangle which is formed. कौन सा ट्राइंगल है वो? ACE. समझ में आया?
Yes.
अच्छा, likewise when I talk about segment BD and segment AB, I select this triangle ABD.
Yes.
So these are the two triangles which I select depending upon given and required conditions. I hope it is clear.
Yes.
अब ये दोनों ट्राइंगल जो हमने हाईलाइट किया है, डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज, ध्यान रखना कौन से दो ट्राइंगल, BAD एंड CAE. अब इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को हमको कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है. सोहम एंड श्रुति फ्रॉम DN नगर एंड घाटकोपर, दे हैव ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड मी, बट उन दोनों ने एक एक एलिमेंट का आंसर दिया है, एक एक या दो दो. चलो, help me here, Arshit.
Yes,
Which
sir.
element is congruent to which one?
AE,
Okay, AE is congruent to
BE.
BE. लेकिन हर्षित, AE और BE, अगर आप ये दोनों साइड्स के बारे में बात करते हो तो चाइल्ड BE जो है वो ना तो ट्राइंगल BAD को बिलोंग करता है, ना तो ट्राइंगल CEA को बिलोंग करता है। व्हेन आई से बिलोंग मतलब उसका साइड होना चाहिए, पूरा साइड, नॉट हाफ और व्हाटएवर। आप समझे मैंने क्या बोला?
Yes, sir.
BE, हाँ, कोई ट्राइंगल का पार्ट है ही नहीं, सो
Yes.
देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ इट। दे आर इक्वल, ट्रू, बट वो
Yes.
एलिमेंट का कुछ काम नहीं है मुझे।
Yes, sir.
या सो हेल्प मी विद अदर एलिमेंट।
Sir, AE congruent to AD.
Yeah, correct. There are many students answering as well in the chat box. AE is equals to AD. Children, the question here is how. It is not given. AE और AD equal है, ऐसा given तो नहीं है क्वेश्चन में। तो आप लोगों को कैसे समझ में आ रहा है? How are you people able to understand it? हर्षित कैसे समझा?
Sir, because
जय ने आंसर दिया है फ्रॉम घाटकोपर। जय, लेट मी टेल यू, यू आर रॉन्ग। श्रुति, आप करेक्ट हो। या बोलो हर्षित।
sir, common angle.
कॉमन एंगल है हर्षित, बट मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि AE और AD इक्वल कैसे? आप सेकेंड एलिमेंट पे चले गए, कॉमन एंगल, दैट इज करेक्ट। पहले इसके बारे में बात करो कि AE और AD इक्वल कैसे हुए। गिवन तो नहीं है, इट इज नॉट गिवन।
Yes.
हाँ, वैष्णव इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट फ्रॉम घाटकोपर। Samuel, you need to elaborate more. Yeah, few students are correct here and few are incorrect. There are so many students who are answering now. Harshit, मालूम है कि should I help you?
Sir, no, don't know.
Okay, don't worry, I'll help you here, Harshit.
Yes.
देख, बहुत simple है हर्षित. It is given to us that AB and AC are equal.
Yes.
बराबर। हर्षित, if you remember, मैंने एक स्टार्ट में एग्जांपल लिया था कि अगर AB 10 है तो AE कितना होगा करके, करेक्ट?
Yes.
Now here it says clearly कि AB और AC इक्वल है, मतलब हर्षित अगर AB 10 है तो AC भी कितना होगा?
10.
10। क्यों? क्योंकि AB और AC इक्वल है, क्वेश्चन में दिया है। तो एक 10 है तो दूसरा भी 10। अच्छा, 10 का हाफ 5 होता है विच इज AE,
Yes.
और इधर भी 10 का हाफ 5 होता है विच इज AD। तो क्योंकि दोनों 10 का हाफ है, AD और AE, दे विल बी इक्वल। आई होप इट इज क्लियर।
Yes, sir.
समझा ये कैसे इक्वल हुआ?
Yes, sir.
अब उसका प्रेजेंटेशन कैसा होगा वो हम लोग बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे, बट एटलीस्ट लॉजिकली समझ में आया ना कि दोनों इक्वल कैसे
Yes,
हुए।
sir.
परफेक्ट। अब हर्षित, आप कॉमन एंगल के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, कौन सा है कॉमन एंगल?
Angle A.
एंगल A, परफेक्ट। somebody here is saying property of betweenness. मुबारक फ्रॉम घाटकोपर। बेटा कर सकते हैं बट वो बहुत लेंथी वे हो जाएगा। एंगल A करेक्ट हर्षित। अच्छा, फिर नेक्स्ट और क्या है हर्षित?
Sir, side
हम्म,
AB is congruent to side AC.
परफेक्ट, दैट इज गिवन। और दूसरा तुमने बोला कॉमन एंगल। ये दो एलिमेंट तो हमने कर लिए, और तीसरा हमने सबसे पहले ही ढूंढ लिया था, करेक्ट?
Yes,
अब
sir.
वो जो हमने ढूंढा था AE और AD इक्वल है, तो ध्यान से देखो और मुझे बताओ ट्राइंगल्स कौन से टेस्ट से कॉन्ग्रुएंट है? द ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय विच टेस्ट?
Side angle side.
साइड एंगल साइड। आर यू श्योर?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, जिसको भी कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, स्लाइटेस्ट कंफ्यूजन, एक टाइम पर सिर्फ एक ट्राइंगल पे फोकस करो, ठीक है? जब आप एक ट्राइंगल पे फोकस करते हो, चिल्ड्रन, वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्पोकन अबाउट AB, वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट एंगल A। तो हम लोग कौन सा ट्राइंगल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? BAD। या उसमें हमने AB के बारे में बात किया, एंगल A के बारे में बात किया, एंड ऑल्सो सेगमेंट AD वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट। सो इट इज साइड, एंगल एंड साइड। आई होप इट इज क्लियर।
Yes, sir.
अब प्रेजेंटेशन भी वैसा होना चाहिए, लेकिन इफ यू ऑल रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन, AE और AD इक्वल गिवन नहीं था, तो पहले वो प्रूव करना पड़ेगा। देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट, जिसमें से एक मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं। AB और AC इक्वल गिवन है। अच्छा, वी ऑल नो दैट CE and BD are medians, right? Now since they are medians, can I state D and E are midpoints?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट। अब ये मिड पॉइंट्स होने के वजह से चिल्ड्रन, कैन आई स्टेट AE will be half of AB and AD
Yes.
will be half of AC, correct?
Yes, sir.
तो मैं लिखूंगा AD is half of AC and AE is half of AB। अच्छा, हमको क्या प्रूफ करना था हर्षित, इफ यू रिमेंबर?
Sir, BD is equal to CE.
परफेक्ट, वो प्रूव करना है, बट उसके लिए अभी ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करने के लिए ये
Yes.
था ना AE और AD।
A or AD. Yes.
तो AE और AD को इक्वल प्रूव करना है, मतलब ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड्स को इक्वल प्रूव करना है।
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट, इक्वेशन 2 और इक्वेशन 3 का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड्स इक्वल प्रूव करना है। तो हर्षित, अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड्स को इक्वल प्रूव करना है, मतलब पहले किसको इक्वल प्रूव करना
Right
पड़ेगा?
hand side.
हाँ, अब राइट हैंड साइड में हाफ तो पहले से इक्वल है।
Yes.
अगर हम लोग AB और AC को इक्वल प्रूफ कर देते हैं, AB और AC को इक्वल प्रूफ कर देते हैं, तो अपना काम हो जाएगा ना।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, look at equation 1, Harshit, we have already proved AB and AC equal. In fact, that was given, right?
Yes, sir.
So can I
Yes.
state from 1, from 2 and 3? क्योंकि दोनों right hand sides equal है, the left hand sides are also
Equal.
equal. So AD is equals to AE from
AE.
1, 2 and 3. I hope it
3.
is clear.
Yes.
अच्छा, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ना मुझे टेक्स्ट में, चैट में एक और मेथड लिख के भेजा था, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, वो हाफ वाला मेथड। ठीक है, तो जिसको जानना है वो बाद में आप मुझे टेक्स्ट कर सकते हो। नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स। सो SAS टेस्ट के लिए सबसे पहले वी राइट सेगमेंट AB इज इक्वल टू सेगमेंट AC गिवन, राइट? देन वी
Yes.
टॉक अबाउट एंगल A कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल A, कॉमन एंगल।
Common angles.
लास्ट ये इक्वेशन 4 में जो प्रूफ किया था पिछले वाले स्लाइड में, वो
Yes,
कॉपी
sir.
कर देंगे। Therefore,
Sure.
triangles are congruent by SAS test of
SAS
congruence.
congruence.
और एक बार triangles को congruent prove कर दिया children, now it is very simple to prove BD equal
Side
to
BD.
CE. I hope it is clear.
Yes.
समझा सबको?
Yes, sir.
Just copy it. Thank you so much, Arshit.
Welcome, sir.
Sure. गाथा पारेख फ्रॉम विक्रोली, उसने पूछा है AE और DC इक्वल है क्या? करेक्ट, इनफैक्ट चारों इक्वल है, AE, BE, AD और DC। कौन सा चार? फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ, AE, BE, AD एंड DC, क्योंकि AB और AC का जो भी हाफ है वो चारों इक्वल होने वाला है ना। ईशान फ्रॉम विक्रोली से, सर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ बिटवीननेस किया तो एक्स्ट्रा मार्क मिलेगा क्या? नहीं, इनफैक्ट अगर कहीं पे मिस्टेक हुआ तो मार्क्स जरूर लूज होगा। सो जो सबसे इजी और शॉर्टेस्ट मेथड है वो करना है। प्रीशा जोशी, बेटा साइन हमने मार्क किया है, वो आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं मिलेगा ये इक्विवेलेंट मार्क, सो दैट इज नॉट गिवन क्रिशा, वो हमने फिगर में मार्क किया है, एग्जाम में मार्क नहीं आएगा, हमको प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा। क्रिशा फ्रॉम घाटकोपर, होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। JB Nagar, Kenan Fernandez, yes, DC is also 5, I never denied it. Zoya from Vikroli, you don't worry about the other method, child. Other method is exactly the same, खाली presentation का फर्क है। I'll tell you what exactly. समझ में आए तो ठीक है, नहीं तो no, don't worry about it. AB and AC equal है, multiplying half on both the side. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? half of AB is equal to half of AC. ठीक है, फिर ये दोनों स्टेप लिखने का। अब half of AB मतलब क्या है? AE, तो इधर आ जाएगा AE। half of AC मतलब क्या है? AD, तो इधर आ जाएगा AD। तो ultimately what you get is AD is equal to AE, which is the same. DN Nagar से Sahil Gupta asks, sir, we can write in any sequence of congruent factors. The answer is no. जो सीक्वेंस में टेस्ट का नाम है उसी सीक्वेंस में लिखना पड़ेगा. जैसे हियर इट इज SAS टेस्ट, तो आपको पहले साइड, फिर एंगल, फिर वापस साइड. You can go the other way around. You can start with this side, then the angle, then this side. But the order has to remain the same. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Meet says, sir, please show the next slide. Sorry, Meet, I was busy explaining the doubts. You could have moved ahead because I've explained it right now. Zoya, अभी मैंने other method explain किया. Hope you've heard it. Yeah, there were so many kids who have requested to change the slide. Ayushi from Vile Parle has asked, sir, is the sum this much only? Okay, Ishan, your mic is not working. I got it. Sir, if the test is hypotenuse, Sahil, I did not. If the test is hypotenuse, child, hypotenuse side test में हमेशा याद रखना the word hypotenuse. What does it means? Side opposite to 90 degree, right? Harmal from Vikroli says time up. Child, I won't take much time. आपको अगर कहीं पे जाना है, you may leave basically. Maybe next 2, 3, 5 minutes, whatever it takes. We'll stop here. Don't worry. You have something urgent to do. You can just, kind of finish that. Yeah, Sahil, you asked me, sir, is it necessary with hypotenuse side test to follow the order? Yeah, what is the order, right? So here it goes. Hypotenuse side test जो होता है उसमें word hypotenuse is side opposite to 90 degree. तो सबसे पहले इसीलिए 90 degree लिखते हैं, ठीक है? Then comes hypotenuse and नाम खुद बोलता है hypotenuse, फिर side. Don't mix it up. Hypotenuse is a different pair of side and side is a different pair of side. एक जोड़ी hypotenuse के बाद दूसरा जोड़ी side आना compulsory है. So that is the order we follow with respect to hypotenuse side test. Hope Sahil you have understood. And hope you people have finished copying. Yeah, Mrunal ने जैसे बोला sir हो गया करके. And Harmal says, sir, please stop. I don't know what is wrong with Harmal. Yeah, Harmal, we stop here. We'll be starting next time with isosceles triangle theorem, right, children? Thank you so much. God bless you all. Harmal, you'll be a happy guy now. I finished with the sum. Sir, I finished my lecture. Dhruv, sir? Dhruv, sir, are you available?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.